Divider 500. The Divider 500 is 520mm high, 230mm wide, and 466mm deep. This means it's easily the heaviest hitter in our Divider series, but it's still a mid-tower. It also leans towards the taller side, so you have tons of space for all sorts of hardware inside. The case comes equipped with 3 standard 120mm ARGB front fans, which can be controlled either via the button on your front I/O port or through your motherboard software. Coming in both a sleek black or snowy white edition, the Divider 500 is an incredibly versatile case. For starters, it features a split panel design down both sides. These panels are interchangeable, the case coming with 2 alternative offerings too. So if you want a fully tempered glass side panel, you can have it. If you don't, then you don't have to. There are so many ways you can configure this gorgeous case, meaning you can choose a style that suits you. The Divider 500 also comes with a 3mm thick tempered glass panel on the top and front. However, this case is also available in an Air edition, featuring mesh panels on the top and front instead, for even more sweet ventilation. The Air edition, however, does not come with the 3 front pre-installed fans, but it does come with a pre-installed standard rear fan. So if glass panels aren't your jam, the Divider 500 has a style to suit you, with so much emphasis on providing you with peak functionality and options galore. Clearance and hardware support wise, the Divider 500 will not let you down, whether you want a simple air-cooled build or something more complicated. The Divider 500 can support a CPU cooler up to 170mm high, as well as a graphics card of up to 390mm in length without a radiator. You can run a PSU with a length of up to 220mm without an HDD cage, as well as a total of 2 3.5-inch HDDs and 5 2.5-inch SSDs. Or, if you ditch the mechanicals, a total of 7 2.5-inch SSDs. Finally, fan-wise, you can fit a total of 3 140mm fans at the front or 2 up the top. You can also fit a radiator of up to 360mm at the front or 280mm at the top. So, water cooling is certainly on the cards. The Divider 500 also comes with a whole variety of unique features that make this case stand out from the rest. Firstly, if you're concerned about airflow in our tempered glass edition, we've got you covered. The Divider 500 comes with a platitude of spots of ventilation, including on the sides, front and rear of the case, as well as at the intersections between the side panel divide itself. Additionally, the Divider 500 comes with excellent dust filtration, including a magnetic removable fan filter on the inner right side, front and base. Lastly, the Divider 500 comes with rotational PCIe slots and a riser support bracket, so you can easily vertically mount your GPU if you wish. Opting for an aesthetic appeal that caters to both gamers wanting a sweet setup and the interests of the most hardcore PC building enthusiasts, the Divider 500 has it all. This is a case that has so many options, from hardware configuration to even the way the case itself looks. The Core P6 is 56.5cm high, 24.8cm deep, and 53cm long. It can support up to an ATX size motherboard, as well as coming in a black or snow edition to suit all sorts of colour schemes. The Core P6 comes with 3 4mm thick tempered glass panels on the front, left and top. All of these are removable though, providing you with 2 different configurations. This makes the Core P6 almost like 2 cases in one. The side panel features 4 easy to remove screws, so the panel simply lifts off for quick and convenient removal. Just because this is a more compact version of the Core P8 doesn't mean you can't run a whole bunch of hardware inside. The Core P6 has a max CPU height of 180mm and a max GPU length of 300mm with a reservoir and 335mm without one. You can mount up to a 360mm radiator at the front or top, as well as even a distro plate along the front, top or on the motherboard side. So yes, water cooling is still most definitely an option in the Core P6. Another amazing part of this case is just how many options you have for fan mounting. You can mount up to 2 140mm fans at the front, motherboard side or top, as well as a single 120mm fan at the rear. Your storage options are plentiful too, with the Core P6 able to house up to 8 2.5-inch SSDs or up to 4 3.5-inch HDDs. Now, it wouldn't be a Core series case from us if it didn't have the fabled wall mount options. Just like its predecessors, the Core P6 can either sit happily on your desk or be mounted to your wall, either to help with space or to just look really cool. The case also features a PSU shroud to hide all those pesky cables. Finally, the Core P6 includes rotational PCIe slots and a special designed riser GPU support bracket and power cover. This allows for simple and easy vertical GPU mounting, which is perfect for you water coolers out there. The Core P6 also features an additional extra GPU bracket, which can give added support to some of those weightier cards out there on the market. Lastly, the Core P6 also has an array of superfine magnetic fan filters at the right, top, and at the bottom, which are designed to provide excellent protection against dirt and dust from outside of the case. They are also effortlessly removable for easy cleaning.